Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You know, take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimping, your skirts and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All I can see, all the mamas, put your thongs up and party with me. On the count of three, everybody claim where you're from. 1, 2, 3, the bottom, that's where I'm from, that's where I reside, that's what I represent till I die. Tuck your chains in, put your drinks down and your sets up and get wild for the night. Pitbull, ride strike smooth like a Lex truck, mama, you got the next nut. Alright, pick a low in the VIP with 4 fingers in the air, hollering for life. I'm the chico that'll put it down for his people. Get my hands on any and everything, but I always keep my hands clean. Cause Miami's full of dirty money and dirty things. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimping your skirts and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mommy looked good from far, but when she got close, she was far from good, and I was like, oof. I got the vodka, Cuba's got the cranberry juice. Now it's time to get loose. Esto aquí es para los marimberos que tienen más cadena que cuello. Con dinero y una panza que parece que se comieron el lechón entero. I see mama who messes with nothing but big timers who loves to get her roll on. Asking me if I could get my hands on some vitamin E, and I was like, mommy, hold on. But she must have loved pop, cause she was grabbing me, telling me, Papi, picture me rolling. So I pictured it, and it would have been a sight for the blind to see. So I gave it to her for free. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimping your skirts and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Verse 3, I said it once and I say it again. I want all y'all to eat but first me. Get it, got it, good. It's good that you got it, cause I got no time to be misunderstood. I don't know if it's the liquor that's got me lit, but damn, mommy's thicker than thick. If you like coke, roll $1, snort it up. If you like weed, then you know the routine. Roll that shit, like that shit, smoke that shit, puff, then pass that shit. Mommy, shake your ass, but watch yourself, cause messing with me, you might end up in a movie, literally watching yourself. Starring you, boo, in the hit movie called Amtrak. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, my man. If you're pimping your skirts and your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till you're fucking the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
39-cent cheeseburgers at McDonald's on Wednesdays and Sundays.
That make me shit.
seeking. So you can get it if you really want to. Shine, shine like a star, shining so bright, like the star that you are. Oh, shine into the future, spreading your light wherever you are.
Shine, shine your light. Shine your light. Just so bad and bad. Not even the warrior. Call it a destroyer. Human, simply the best. No blood I can touch that. Limford, kisses say, no blood I can catch me. Moving like lightning with more energy. Shine your light. Just so bad and bad. Shine your light. Just so bad and bad. If I float like a butterfly, the earthling man. Yes, me a jackpot, calling Jackson. The crowd is roaring. Ian Rice scoring. Walking on the field, them are the champion to win.
When they say that never make it, I found strength from within. Cause it is there if you seek it. So you can get it if you really want to. Shine, shine like a star, shining so bright, like the star that you are. Oh, shine into the future, spreading your light wherever you are. Come on and shine, shine like a star, shining so bright, like the star that you are. Oh, shine into the future, spreading your light wherever you are. Oh, shine.
Green Lantern, yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, yo. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse. This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that
This
stock.
is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be with him. Rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his